Understanding Foundation Laid, a guide to English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning of the phrase, foundation laid. This is a common idiom in English that can be quite interesting to learn about. So, let's dive in and uncover its meaning and usage. First, let's break down the phrase, foundation laid. A foundation is the lowest load-bearing part of a building, typically below ground level. When a foundation is laid, it means it has been put in place. This is the first and most critical step in building construction, as it supports everything else that follows. In a figurative sense, foundation laid refers to the establishment of a base or groundwork for something important. This can be applied to various scenarios, such as starting a new business, beginning a personal project, laying down principles or policies. It implies that the initial and necessary steps have been taken to ensure future success. To help you understand better, here are a few examples. 1. With the research completed, the foundation is laid for the new scientific discovery. 2. The new education policy has laid the foundation for a more inclusive system. 3. Her early training laid the foundation for her successful career in music. Be cautious not to confuse this phrase with laying the groundwork, which is similar but can have a slightly different context. Also, remember that foundation laid is often used in more formal or serious contexts. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning of foundation laid and how you can use it in your conversations or writing. This phrase is a great example of how English can use concrete terms to describe abstract concepts. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be laying the foundation for your fluency in English. See you in the next video.